luck, the word is a misnomer. I don't think, there are only two things you believe in. Either you believe in hard work, and the second thing is in God. In between, excuse is luck. I don't think my team is lucky because of me. I think my team is lucky because they play very hard. I think every one of us who's able to get things right, if you start denoting it down to luck, you're undermining your own talent, you're undermining your own achievements. And it's a nice word. It rhymes with something else, but it's, but it's not a word that I believe in. I believe in the power, the supreme being. I think we should never forget to pray. We should never forget to pray, and we should just work hard. And every morning, I don't know, I have a belief that Knight Riders will win. My team has the talent and the hard work, and I think they will just go and win, whether I'm there or not. They would win with my presence, without my presence. My deal with them is only, I go to the dressing room and teach them one new dance step. That's all I do as an owner. Ricky Ponting just called and says, Shahrukh, what about the step in Chennai? I said, I'll do two of them in Kolkata on 29. So that's my only deal with the team. Honor for us if that happens. We have some ideas, and to keep something. This is a new concept. Sports and entertainment coming together. I think one of the steps taking it forward would be to merchandise the stuff if the team becomes popular. The popularity of the team is not going to be because it's owned by me or by the ads we do. It is going to be by the performance. I think that is the biggest advertising for the team. So if we are winners, I'm sure there will be a lot of people in the country who would like to be associated with the winning spirit of the team. And if that happens, yes, we would like to ask Nagesh and Govind to help us out with that. And if that can happen, it will be wonderful. They make quality stuff, and we will try to offer quality in terms of our winning ways.
We would love to do it. Last time when we met, it was on the Om Shanti Om platform, and I had mentioned, a lot of you had asked this question saying, and everybody said what will happen to it. And now Om Shanti Om merchandise is over on the shelf. Let me tell you, we sold between 5.5 to 6 crores worth of merchandise out of the Om Shanti Om. So it was a very small beginning, but I'm sure as we go forward, Kolkata Knight Riders.
Use it for as long as I can. But the team is, inshallah and hopefully beyond me. It's not about me. The team is about John Buchanan and the boys. So the site has been developed, obviously there's an offside on it and an onside on it. So the onside is about cricket, offside is just fun and entertainment. We have some amazing games on it. I want the kids to be attracted to it. Just last night, my team from the site, I don't run it at all. I leave creatives and everything to the people who are experts at it. So they told me if I would like to start, sending in blogs and writing about it. My knowledge of cricket is limited, and I don't have any qualm saying that. I can only talk as an outsider. So I've told them, yes, send me an SMS of a line that they would like me to speak about. But I think I can only philosophize on cricket and the goings on. I will not be an expert opinion on cricket, but I will try and do it. And not because everyone else is doing it. I'd do it if my team wants me to. So I'll try and give it a shot whenever is required. But right now I think the site is about Knight Riders and the way they play and what the team is. I'd like to keep it as much to that as possible. I'd like to say to all the youngsters at Shopper Stop also, I'm sure Nagesh and Govind follow that. Once you've reached a status or a stage that you take on something which is beyond your means, like they must have done for lots of products Shopper Stop has done, I've done it with the cinema that I do, you stop looking at the profit part of it. You just work towards getting a standard and maintain that standard and hope that this standard is going to attract eyeballs and consumers, so finally you break even. So at this point of time, really, and I've been saying this from the day IPL has been launched, let the dust settle. Even now, I read newspaper items which say, Breckley's ball cost so much. I mean, let's get over it. It's not how much money everybody's going to make. It's a new thing. So let's just stick to it and hope that we can bring in a sports culture. We keep talking about money's not being there in sports. Here is a chance for every youngster. Today I read the article, which I also, the ones which I believe, which talked about some of the youngsters being noticed, whether it's Ashok Dinda, whether it's the new boys from the Rajasthan team. It's so wonderful. These little kids, when I see them, I've got 12, 13 boys in my team who are absolute newcomers. Nobody knew them in this world. And they're so happy playing with Ricky Ponting and Brett Lee and making their name and earning from it. They're from small families like most of us are. So I think that is the positive part if we can look at and hope they make a profit. Inshallah, our profits will follow.
Shahrukh, one question.
You see, this discussion has been going on everywhere. Is it cricket? Is it tamasha? Let's believe it. It is here, and it is here to stay, and we'll accept it. Now, star ka zyada hota hai. I've always maintained stars don't need a cricketing field to promote themselves. Neither does cricket need stars to promote itself. Both the fields are stars in themselves. So there is right now, of course, if I go to watch a cricket match with my friends, they are from films. They are from films. So you will see people from the films there. Some of them don't know cricket, but they started loving it, like Karan and everyone. So it's interesting mix right now. And I think let the discussion go on. I keep reading. I think it's one other sphere of thought that I have. And I truly believe in it. Education with entertainment. I'm doing sports with entertainment. And because Panchvi Pass is even more important, it gives you talks about education to youngsters and parents and families. And this is what I do personally. See, Night Riders is something which is a passion and it's fun and I'm enjoying it. It's a new thing for me. So it's, but my job is finally to act and be an anchor, and Panchvi Pass is really wonderful. So I'll see that. Of course, when my own match is going on, so I'll carry a television. So I'll keep seeing Panchvi Pass and I'll keep seeing the matches there.